mastery. Now, menopausal transition involves a complex neuroendocrine shift. It involves vasomotor symptoms, cognitive impacts, and metabolic shifts. Estrogen declines triggers autonomic imbalance and HPA-axis hyperactivity, which results in chronic high sympathetic tone and impaired heart rate variability. Yoga practices increases parasympathetic activation, decreases cortisol, decreases inflammatory cytokines, and thus reduces the symptoms. Somatic symptom management. Yoga helps deep diaphragmatic breathing, regulates the thermoregulatory centers in the brain, lessening the frequency of hot flushes. Yoga relies on eccentric contractions, where muscles actively elongate under load, and this method constructs dense, resilient muscle tissue which simultaneously increase the mobility, preventing the stiffness and limited reach common with traditional isolated gym training. Rather than isolating minor muscle group in a fixed one-dimensional plane, yoga recruits complete kinetic lines across dynamic three-dimensional pathways. Estrogen decline leads to a systemic joint inflammation and dry, rigid fascia. High-impact strength training poses a heightened risk of musculoskeletal strain, tendinitis, and joint wear. Yoga uses safe, low-impact tension to stimulate synovial fluid release, directly lubricating the joints and keeping connective tissue supple and pain-free. Yoga cultivates intrinsic motivation and nervous system downregulation, practice in silent, peaceful studios in nature, and it minimizes sensory overloads, lowering the stress hormone and redirecting mental energy inwards to achieve a deep flow state. Yoga merging into intentional postures without regulated breathing, pranayam, increases neural density in region processing emotional balances and cognitive focus. Clinical trials indicate that a consistent long-term yoga practice diminishes inflammatory cytokines by up to 40%. While heavy high-volume resistance training creates chronic microscopic tissue damage and local inflammation, yoga promotes systemic circulation and lymphatic detoxification, actively hastening the physiological healing process. We can also design different yogas. For insomnia, we have restorative yoga. For fatigue, we have dynamic vinyasa flow. For bone health, we have standing strength asanas. We have different pelvic floor rehabilitations like Mula Bandh, direct isometric activation of deep pelvic tissue which helps to restore structural security. For increasing urogenital tone, we have gentle pelvic floor mapping which prevents structural prolapse and bladder weakness without the pressure of squats. Core integrations combines transverse abdominis and diaphragmatic support for deep postural stability. We have targeted pose for menopause like Bhujangasana, spinal health and endocrine regulation, Vipreet Karni, VMS and stress recovery, Balasana for nervous system grounding. Yoga is a low barrier intervention. It requires no gym membership, no specialized equipment and can be performed in any private space. So zero capital expenditure, reduce the economic burden, empowers patient self-efficacy. It has a multidimensional conditioning. Proprioception sharpens the deep neurological spatial coordinates, activating, stabilizing micro muscles that are ignored by a predictable fitness machine. By strengthening muscle structure in their fully lengthened state, the body adapts to unexpected loads and strange physical angles without tearing. Pranayam exercises optimizes oxygen intake and carbon dioxide release, enhancing baseline cardiovascular stamina. It also scientific structure reveals that metric representing healthy parasympathetic recovery, just as heart rate variability, remains substantially higher post-yoga as compared to heavy anaerobic lifting. Sustainable aging. Heavy lifting with external iron load poses a high risk of tendon wear and acute skeletal tears as muscle tissue age. Yoga is deeply scalable, restorative movement that respects individual human biomechanics. It actively preserves spinal fluid, joint flexibility and postural alignment, rendering it in the premier lifelong physical exercise choice for yoga population. Yoga is just not to touch your toes. It is about what you learn on the way down. So, yoga goes far beyond the physical aesthetic targeting, physiological longevity, hormone regulation, and neurological balance. By protecting skeletal joints through hydration and decompressing the spine, yoga offers a fully customizable, safe exercise format for entire lifetime. By removing financial overhead and equipment limitation, it makes physical and psychological mastery attainable anytime, anywhere. Yoga is not just about muscle extension. It is about self-compassion and neurological grounding at a time when your biochemistry is changing entirely. Thank you.
Thank you.